Once your solar system is installed and running, the next step is ensuring that it continues to perform at peak efficiency. Fortunately, solar panels are low maintenance, but there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind. Most solar systems come with monitoring software that allows you to track how much energy your panels are producing in real time. This is important because it helps you spot any potential issues early on. For example, if there's a sudden drop in output, it could mean something like debris on the panels or a minor technical issue that needs attention. In terms of maintenance, you want to keep your panels clean and free from debris. Depending on your location, this could mean scheduling an annual cleaning or just keeping an eye on them after heavy storms or dust buildup. Other than that, most modern solar systems come with warranties that cover the inverters and other components for up to 25 years.